Hello there! In today's short video, we would like to showcase how the integration between the Antavo Loyalty Cloud and the Braze Engagement platform works, and also give you the benefits of this out-of-the-box integration, which is readily available. The integration allows you to do two different kinds of very distinct things. First, it allows you to synchronize customers across the different platforms from Antavo to Braze directly, almost in real time. Second of all the customer interactions that are captured within the Antavo Loyalty Cloud can easily be synchronized across the Braze to drive engagement with your customers. To set things up, we'll need to go into the Antavo Management UI first and enable the Braze integration, which can be done in a matter of a couple of clicks. After that, you can set up the fields from Antavo that should be synchronized across the Braze by basically defining key value pairs. On the left-hand side, you're going to find the fields that you have in Antavo. And on the right-hand side, you can type in the fields that exist for the same purpose in Braze. After hitting save, you will be ready to actually send customer data from Antavo to Braze directly. How this could work? You can see it in here. So I'm going to just really quickly create a new customer in Antavo. We need to remember this email address that I gave to the customer in here and hit create. This is going to create a new customer profile in Antavo and initialize all of its fields. The customer is now ready to be your loyalty member. If you head over to Braze, we can now search for the customer by going to Audience, Search Users, and basically copy-paste in the email address that we used before. And as you can see, all the customer details that were entered, including the user ID and including the default fields synchronized across, are here and present. So let's move on. Step further. Let's imagine a campaign that you would like to launch based on a customer interaction that's been captured in Antavo. To do that, first you would need to set up your campaign with Embrace using canvases. I'm pretty sure that you're familiar with this already, so I'm not going to go into the details, but you can use the canvas feature, select a custom event as a trigger, select the right custom event coming from Antavo from the list, and then you can start building your campaign like usual. In Antavo, you will need to navigate to the Management UI, click on Workflows, and select General Workflows. Here you can either create a new workflow or select an existing one to trigger the action to Braze. If you enter the workflow editor, you'll be able to see that it's quite easy to synchronize details across from Antavo to Braze. For example, here we selected a trigger, which is adding points to the customer, increasing score, so that's going to trigger the interaction that we want to synchronize across the Braze. By dragging the Sync Braze Events node from the available tools from the right-hand side of the screen, we will be able to specify what events should be triggered within Braze and what should be the payload. This time, we selected the number of points earned by the customer and some basic details about the customer, like the first and last name to be synchronized across as part of the event. Once that's done and it's activated, the workflow is ready to be used and can be triggered whenever we need to. So let's navigate back to our customer that we just created. It's going to be on the bottom of the list. So if I open this customer profile and I go to the events page, I can really quickly and easily add an event manually to the customer. If you remember, we selected the point at the event, which pretty much all it does is it just adds points to the customer, right? So we selected that event as a trigger. So all I'm going to do right now is enter some points in here into this field and then click Save. And this is going to add a new point add event to the customer. If you navigate back to Braze now and refresh this page here, then go to Search Users, search for the same email address, you're going to be able to see that the custom event has successfully been administered in here. And then, because I previously created a canvas for this already, I already received an email that I designed in Braze. So that's how easy it is to set up campaigns using Braze and using Antavo to power your loyalty journeys. I hope that you liked this video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you so much.